Good evening. The 100-meter victory by the little-known sprinter Shashali Forbes at the World University Games is another stripe to the growing reputation of Coach Maurice Wilson. Forbes, who clocked 11.18 seconds to take the Blue Ribbon event last Wednesday in Chinese Taipei, is the second athlete conditioned by Coach Wilson at the G.C. Foster College in the last 7 years to take a gold medal at the prestigious event. The other is Commonwealth Games 200 meters champion Rashid Dwyer, who won the half-lap event 6 years ago in 2011 in Shenzhen, China. Now, so the plaudits going in the direction of Coach Wilson and G.C. Foster College is well-deserved. The fact that the unassuming Wilson, who made his name while leading Homewood Technical to 9 straight girls' championship titles ending in 2011, has been a part of the national coaching staff for the last 15 years, justifies his abilities. Add to that Wilson's most recent project, the Sprintech Track Club, which also operates out of the G.C. Foster College. Now, 4 of his 10 charges, who made Jamaica's team to the World Championships in London this month, left the event with medals. Forbes, Jura Levy and Natasha Morrison contributed to the sprint relay bronze, while Ristanana Tracy took the bronze in the 400-meter hurdles. Now, a 5th member of Wilson's small sprint tech unit, Demish Gay, a revelation of the 400 meters this season with 44.55 seconds, was also finalist in London. Now, with that said, I would not be surprised if Wilson, who also guided Sharon Simpson to the Pan American Games 100 meters gold in 2011, received some more queries from other athletes in the off-season to guide their careers. I'm Keon Rayner. Good evening.